Some people hold the view that women are inherently innocent and incapable of wrongdoing. However, just as men are often associated with aggression, women are frequently linked to manipulation. While it's essential to acknowledge that not all men are aggressive and not all women are manipulative, there is a general trend that leans towards this dichotomy, with roughly 60-40 ratio of aggression for men and a manipulation for women. This slight tilt means that most manipulative individuals tend to be women, while the most aggressive individuals tend to be men. Hypermanipulative individuals often suffer from borderline personality disorder, a condition diagnosed in women about 4 times more frequently than in men. On the other hand, hyperaggressive individuals often diagnosed with antisocial personality disorder, which is more common in men by a similar margin. Beyond these clinical diagnoses, there are many individuals who exhibit subclinical traits of these disorders, meaning there are many women who are displaying manipulative tendencies without meeting the full criteria for BPD, just as there are many men who are aggressive without being diagnosed with ASPD. People manipulate others for various reasons, including power and control. Manipulation is often a means of gaining power or control over others by influencing someone's behavior, thoughts, or emotions. The manipulator can feel a sense of superiority and dominance. Personal gain. Manipulation can be a strategy to achieve personal goals, whether material, social, or emotional, such as advancing in a career, acquiring wealth, or securing favorable outcome in a relationship. Insecurity. Individuals who feel insecure or inadequate may manipulate others to compensate for their perceived shortcomings, using control to feel more confident or valuable. Avoiding responsibility. Manipulators often shift blame onto others to avoid accountability for their actions. Emotional gratification. Manipulation can be used to fulfill emotional needs, such as seeking attention, validation, or affection. Tactics like guilt, flattery, or other psychological tools are employed to elicit the desired emotional responses. Fear of rejection or failure. Manipulation can be driven by fear, as individuals attempt to avoid rejection or failure, or conflict by controlling situations or people. Learned behavior. Manipulative behavior can be learned from past experiences, family dynamics, or cultural influences. Those who grow up in environments where manipulation is common may adopt similar tactics in their relationships. And the final reason is a lack of empathy. Some individuals manipulate others because they lack empathy or have difficulty understanding or caring about others' feelings. Notably, none of these motivations for manipulation involve violence, which would pose risks to women who are typically physically weaker and often responsible for the care of infants. Instead, manipulation and subversion are the primary tools women may use to exert influence, while men are more likely to resort to physical aggression. Women fight with subtlety and psychological tactics, while men often fight with physical force. In conclusion, while there are both aggressive women and manipulative men, the general trend is that women are more likely to use manipulation, just as men are more likely to display aggression. Gender-based tendencies towards manipulation and aggression reflect the different ways in which men and women may navigate conflicts and power dynamics.